Hi everyone, my name is Riddhi and I'm an acrylic artist. Today I'm going to take you through the basics of acrylic painting and tell you about the different types of acrylic paints and their uses. I will be using the Brustro range of acrylic colors for this lesson. Hopefully this will inspire you to get your hands on some acrylics and experiment. Let's start with the basics. Acrylic paints are water-based and permanent. They're extremely fast drying and opaque. Acrylics can be used on almost any surface, including canvas, paper, wood, earthenware, and many more. The paints also come in different consistencies, and there are mainly 4 kinds about which I'm going to tell you in this video. For all the paints I'm going to show you, I'll do a brush swatch, a knife swatch, and another swatch with glaze wherein I'm using Brustro Gloss Medium mixed with the paint. Let's start with the heavy body acrylic paints. These are available in 50 ml and 237 ml packs from Brustro in 60 different shades, including 5 metallic colors. These jars have a great design with a wide mouth, and you can easily scoop out the paint using a palette knife. As you can see, these are very thick. These paints have a smooth, buttery texture and can be used for creating textured artwork using a brush or a palette knife. Let me show you how I use the heavy body paints. Here I've created a blended base layer, and on top of that I'm using a palette knife to put white heavy body acrylic paints. You can see how it retains the texture of the palette knife, and it is perfect for creating water and crashing waves for seascapes. This is a painting I made entirely using heavy body acrylics. See how the texture brings so much energy into the artwork. Next we have the soft body acrylic paints. These come in 120 ml individual tubes and 12 ml tubes in packs. They have a soft, creamy texture and are best for smooth paintings with a lot of blending. Look at how beautiful they look mixed with the glazing medium. In this little piece I'm telling you how to blend 2 colors. Just keep building layers and the smooth paints will mix into each other so well. Here is a painting I did entirely with soft body acrylics, and look how beautifully blended the colors look. Next we have the fluid acrylic paints. There are 30 shades available from Brustro, and these are highly pigmented liquid paints that come in these cute little bottles from Brustro. These are pure pigments and contain no fillers, dyes or extenders. They are great for pouring techniques and for creating large washes, for spraying or even for precise brushwork. I'm going to show you a couple of ways that I use fluid acrylic paints. First is to cover up a large portion of a canvas or a paper very quickly. You can also mix colors on your surface itself. See how I mix red with the yellow to create a beautiful orange. The other way I use it is by mixing with a little bit of matte gel medium. I scoop out a little bit of the medium, and then I put a couple of drops of the fluid acrylic paints in it. If you mix them with a palette knife and leave them to dry, a cool effect is created. This is how it looks once dried up. These are great for creating textures into an ocean painting, like I've done in this case. This is the texture I got by using this technique. Lastly, we have acrylic inks, which also come in similar little bottles in packs of 12 shades. These are very bright, fluid, water resistant, and highly pigmented. They have a unique property of flowing very freely on your surface. They're perfect for calligraphy, pen and wash, airbrushing, and many other mixed media applications. They mix with each other really well and can be used to create many beautiful effects. The best part about these bottles is that they come with a nozzle and you can directly use them to draw on a surface. Let me show you how these can be used. Here I've created a soft green background, and on that I'm lettering with the gold acrylic ink. See how easy it is to control and how thin and beautiful it looks. Look at how the gold ink shines on the surface. It's beautiful, isn't it? Look at this painting where I used the inks. I did the base layers with heavy body acrylics and then used inks to create these beautiful highlights. I used the nozzle directly on the surface, and the inks really bring a whole new life to the painting, don't you think? So these were the 4 types of acrylic paints. And one last thing I want to mention is that diluting a heavy body paint would not give you a soft body paint, or diluting a soft body paint would not give you a fluid paint. All of these have their own masterfully crafted consistencies for specific uses. In the next lessons, we'll go into more details on how to create beautiful paintings using all of these paints. Till then, keep experimenting and thanks for watching.